Nakabenta ki khobor ke baman kasngi subscribe yo Antor News.
Kublai pi baro kini gilong ki khubor ba menta kasngi baro ki seng balang ba ki seng san prathai ba kin sange e ka jingle politics bar ki jing kin no abriu halor ka jingjia hamukro West Jante Hills henrei ban ya trailang ha ka ban wan ra biang ye ka jinglong jingman ba jai jai hapo ka jelap ha ka wi kalyang umentri rangba sngautanat ye ka jingkan tho jongki katu ka ni ki seng san prathai halor ka jingdawa ban hiar shuki ye umentri kampo yeng ka jela Lahkmen Rymbui namar ka jingjia hamukro
I'm repeating that there are situations and there are problems that happen, but I don't think this is the time to, as I said, go into the political stance that we take. We need to work together, and obviously we have seen even society has appealed for peace. Even the churches come together, the religious organizations have come together, the different seniors and elders of Shillong have come together. The traditional heads have come together, and they are all urging that we need to work together to maintain peace. So I think this is not the time to go into all the political aspects. Elections will come, and then after in an election we can talk of whatever we want. But at this point in time, it's important that as leaders we need to be together for the larger interests of the state and the people.